Portsmouth Harbour. The next station
Yeah, mate.
is Emsworth.
How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Very hot today, isn't it?
It's hot.
I was going to post to go to Spa Bunny Road today, but guess what? Overslept this morning.
Yeah.
Not that easy when you're overslept, isn't it? And I think I can smell fire. That's all, mate. Boy, it's just so hot when you think about it, isn't it?
It's a bit humid out there, yeah, it's a bit foggy.
You want to check my ticket?
Welcome aboard the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Emsworth.
No, I've got someone I've got to go round to the car ferry to walk round there in about 10 minutes. I'm meeting someone. So I thought I should. So I knew what time it arrives, I can say, oh, we'll be round there. No worries. Thank you very much, Izzy.
You know, I was thinking about that 7 years, just not wrong. That boy must definitely needs a father. He needs to understand train times. He needs to understand anything. When I use train power, I just check my time, and in case my train doesn't leave until exactly about 57 or any time. That's easy, just. And what I'm going to do is when I go to York or Carmel, I'll make sure to take my fidget camera charger.
We are now
so I can charge it when I get there. So I can film
Please
the
mind
trains
the
throughout
gap
the day.
between the
And then when
train
it comes to
and
my
the
end of my day,
platform.
I'll charge it again so I can make sure everything's on track. And besides, when I go to York, I normally go on a day to see chargers and everything, but yeah, so what I'm going to do is do the same like I did on Friday. Well, I did the end of Southern Steam, so.
This is the same train I have to get when I go to my other job.
And if I get the 816, I can get a connection.
This is Emsworth. This train is the Southern service to Portsmouth Harbour, calling at Havant, Fratton, Portsmouth and Southsea, and Portsmouth Harbour. The next station is Havant.
One thing I hate about the surface from Portsmouth on a massive upgrade is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but just typical. I wish we did have one in Portsmouth, but just to film it, just to. This return I'm doing something new, just so I filmed 2 locations. This one I filmed forward to Boggle just on the outward and wait, and now I did Barnham to Chichester.
Welcome aboard the Southern service
Moved
to
Gambit,
Portsmouth Harbour. The
Southbourne
next station
to
is Havant.
Southbourne to Havant. So, what is our first And also, we have Trump, then this is go-kart racing, and oddly enough, we have how to be popular with other people. No water, we're going back to dancer system, and that's that. This one runs from Brighton to Portsmouth Harbour.
Approaching Havant, if you hold it in services, please make
Oh.
sure you have all your bags and
Time to change trains. Yeah,
any passengers
because it's a connection I need to get from Southwestern.
change here for Southampton service and change out to Southampton for the next service. Thank you.
Like how young it does.
We are now approaching Havant.
Now, how young is little? Yumma? How young is really good stuff, eh? But two big crawfish can. That is really good. I'm impressed how he does it. Yeah. There goes my 7 train, 377-451. The parts Havant for Portsmouth Harbour. Sometimes I like to film my 7 trains, 377s, you know. Yeah, that's right. There goes Portsmouth Harbour. Like I said before, Oscar needs to harbour and he needs to learn his manners about trains don't leave on the right time zone. If you have him, please don't be there for ages, or he keeps continuing to lead people astray. Liam had good people to begin with before he had Oscar. Oscar is a bad influence.